Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable smart downloads on Netflix, feature setup step by step clearly. Open the Netflix app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you are signed in to the Netflix profile you use for watching downloads. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid using mobile data during setup and downloads. Tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen. Tap the menu icon or the 3-line More option if your app layout is different. Select App Settings from the list. Scroll until you find the Downloads section. Tap Smart Downloads to open the feature settings. Turn on Smart Downloads by switching the toggle to On. Tap Download Next Episode to enable automatic downloading of the next episode in a series. Confirm that the toggle stays enabled so Netflix can manage episodes for you. Go back one screen and tap Download Video Quality. Choose Standard if you want smaller file sizes and faster downloads. Choose Higher if you want better picture quality and have enough storage space. Go back and tap Download Location if your device supports SD card storage. Select SD card if available to save space on your internal storage. If SD card is not available, keep internal storage selected and continue. Return to the main downloads, tap Find More to download to choose a series or movie. Select a TV series that has multiple episodes for the best smart downloads experience. Tap the download icon next to the first episode you want to watch offline. Wait until the download finishes while you stay connected to Wi-Fi. Start watching the downloaded episode when you are ready. After you finish an episode, keep the app installed and your device connected to Wi-Fi. Let Netflix automatically delete watched episodes to free space if the feature is supported. Let Netflix automatically download the next episode so it is ready for offline viewing. If Smart Downloads does not work, update Netflix from the App Store or Google Play. If it still does not work, check device storage and ensure Netflix has storage permissions enabled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.